So this one feels considerably more turny than yours. And that one probably has 15-degree rear. This has an 18 with what I would probably guess is a 22 front. Yeah, look at that. Pumpability yet, but more so than any other OP I've heard. Nice. Now, what's really funny is this is crazy. This turns so much. If you lean, it doesn't give up turning. No. That's kind of how this one feels too. I mean, I think I'm doing like a 5-foot diameter circle. That's why I'm saying that's the most fun to ride. It's on the lower angle stuff. Yeah. Cool. This is. Are we other planet or is this longboard? We're still longboard technology. So this is longboard technology with other planet trucks. Other planet. Over and out. Must be 1 o'clock.